Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Flirt account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up a web browser and go to flirt.com and then sign into your account. Then from here, click onto user profile. So you can see that's me here. Now from here, I want to go ahead and click onto my settings. So scroll down, click onto my settings. Now this is where we can delete it. So depending what region you're in, you're going to have this option. So if we scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, you're going to have a delete account button here. But because I'm in Australia in a different region, I currently don't have that. So what I need to do is contact support here. So to contact support for flirt.com is to go back and then click onto the contact us page here. Now from here, where it says section, we want to go ahead and click on account management, select subject, account removal, and then basically we want to go ahead and this is exactly what we did. So the answer was this. So it said to remove your account, log into the web version. That's what I did. Press your avatar in the upper right hand corner, choose my settings from the drop down menu and press the remove account button. So I currently don't have that. So I want to say no. And then from here, we want to go ahead and send a message. Say you followed the answer to this but with no avail, so can you please help me remove my account, and then click send and give flirt.com 24 to 48 hours to get back to you and help you with your request.